Hi, welcome to my first video on Scratch, Scratch Junior, an introduction. The first thing you'll need to do is download Scratch Junior from your relevant app store and then load it. So press the cap icon down here and here we go. So this is the first place you're going to get to. I would suggest the first thing you do is press the gear wheel in the top corner to get the settings. The most important thing you can see here is the interface guide, because it's going to tell you everything that happens on the screen. If you want to know what ABC means, you press ABC, it tells you you can add text. If you want to know what this little panel, this little green flag does, it tells you this is what number 8 does. So this is a very important place to start. The other important thing to look at is the blocks guide. With the blocks guide, it tells you what the different color blocks do. Yellow for triggering, blue for motion, pink for looks, green for sounds, orange for control, and red for end. Not only does it tell you the category, but it also tells you how the different blocks work within that category. So for example, the yellow blocks are all triggering blocks that make a set of instructions start happening, but they get triggered in different ways. So the green flag makes things start to happen when the green flag gets pressed on the screen. The two runners coming into each other sets off some code when the two characters or sprites touch each other. The one here, start on tap, those instructions only start when a finger touches the sprite on the screen. So they're all triggering blocks, but they only start working when different conditions happen. So we'll come back to the settings. We'll choose our language as English, and then we'll press the home at the top to go home. Now we're going to start a new project, and to celebrate 50 years since mankind first landed on the moon, I thought we'd make an animation all about the moon. So I'm going to press my plus button in the corner, and I have my working screen with my first sprite there, and I want to choose a moon background. So I'm going to go to the middle at the top to choose the backgrounds. I have heaps to choose from, and I'm going to choose a space one at the end with the moon and a large moonscape. Once I've selected it, I'm going to go ahead and press the tick at the top. Now, on the next 3 videos, I'm going to show you how to animate your sprite, put some extra characters in, and use the different types of buttons, and we're going to get you animating your sprite and making some fun stuff happen. So I'll see you in the next movie.